This new treatment is not for everyone who suffers from Alzheimer's. Doctors say it is targeted to those with the early stages of the disease. The new Alzheimer's drug will be sold under the name Aduhelm.
This is a whole new another way of dealing with this disease. And when there's not really a whole lot of other things out there.
Novant Health neurologist Chris Morris says the new drug uses the body's own immune system to attack plaque buildup in the brain and is designed to help patients live a more normal life. But he notes it is not a cure for Alzheimer's.
It's kind of like the parking brake in your car. If you're going downhill, this may slow you down, but it's not going to stop you.
Some 6 million Americans have Alzheimer's, 180,000 of them in North Carolina over age 65. That according to the head of Us Against Alzheimer's, a nonprofit advocacy group.
The patient community has been waiting for 2 decades. It's really impossible to go to your doctor and have them tell you there's nothing we can do.
Brooks Kenny says Aduhelm is an important step. She also notes that her group, Us Against Alzheimer's, is sponsored in part by the drug's maker, Biogen.
Is going to spur more innovation. We need more research dollars to have more medicines. Imagine if cancer had one therapy. That would be unacceptable. So we see this as a very important first step to spur more innovation.
Aduhelm comes on the market through the FDA's accelerated approval process. After clinical trials found incomplete evidence of the drug's effectiveness, the FDA has ordered the company to conduct another trial.
Part of their rationale is if they do approve this, this will open the doors to other companies to pursue more treatments down this alley. Because, if you feel, especially with Alzheimer's, like I said, it's been almost 20 years since we had another medicine.
Despite questions surrounding the drug, Dr. Morris says he's optimistic.
It's a whole new way to approach treatment, but it's certainly not a cure-all. We're not in the cure territory. It's given us hope. Basically, you're buying time. And, when you talk to anybody who has a family member who has Alzheimer's or any type of memory problems, one of the biggest struggles is this feeling like I can't do anything.
Dr. Morris says if this drug works as advertised, patients of Alzheimer's will have more function, they'll have more independence. Critics say they're concerned that folks won't hear any of the downside, the swelling of the brain, the possible bleeding of the brain, things that happen during the trial. Their concern is that people will only hear the potential benefits. In Greensboro, Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.